Artificial intelligence (AI) tools in 2025 are advanced software applications or systems that leverage AI technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to enhance productivity, decision-making, and automation in various sectors. These tools represent the forefront of technological progression, showcasing how AI continues to merge with daily operations across industries. By 2025, AI tools are expected to have evolved significantly, becoming more user-friendly, versatile, and integrated into both professional and personal environments. The significance of AI tools in 2025 lies in their transformative potential. They are set to redefine efficiency and innovation, driving growth in fields such as healthcare, education, finance, and beyond. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it enables machines to perform tasks that previously required human intelligence, thereby freeing humans to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also encourages novel business models and competitive advantages for organizations willing to adapt. In practical terms, AI tools will be pivotal in a variety of applications. For instance, AI-powered virtual assistants in the workplace will handle mundane administrative tasks, scheduling, and initial customer interaction, allowing human workers to concentrate on higher-level functions. In healthcare, predictive analytics tools will analyze patient data to foresee potential health risks, enabling proactive interventions. Both examples illustrate how AI tools can lead to more efficient processes and improved outcomes in their respective fields. On the supportive front, proponents argue that AI tools are not just technological conveniences but necessities in an increasingly complex world. They facilitate smarter decision-making, enhance personalization in consumer services, and provide new insights from vast amounts of data that were previously unmanageable. However, the rise of AI tools is not without challenges and controversies. Issues related to data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement are common concerns. Critics fear that increased reliance on AI might exacerbate inequality or reduce the demand for certain human skills. There is also a debate about the ethical use of AI in surveillance and decision-making processes. Overall, the introduction of AI tools is intrinsically linked to other aspects of technological development, such as data security, ethical AI use, and the future of employment. As these tools continue to grow and become more integral to everyday life, they will profoundly influence the digital landscape, requiring society to adapt and innovate alongside them. Understanding and navigating these tools, therefore, is essential for anyone looking to stay relevant and competitive in the coming years. Let's consider the outline heading AI-driven workforce optimization tools as part of the broader topic of 10 AI tools you should be using in 2025. AI-driven workforce optimization tools leverage artificial intelligence to enhance productivity, streamline processes, and improve decision-making within organizations. These tools analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights and automate repetitive tasks, allowing human resources to focus on more strategic activities. They are essential in today's fast-paced business environment because they can transform how companies allocate talent, schedule work, and manage resources. The significance of AI-driven workforce optimization tools lies in their ability to drastically improve operational efficiency and employee satisfaction. By utilizing these tools, businesses can ensure that the right person is assigned to the right task at the optimal time, which can lead to significant increases in productivity. This is particularly crucial as companies increasingly embrace remote and hybrid work models, creating a more complex logistical landscape for managing teams. Real-world applications of these tools are numerous. One example is AI-powered scheduling software that can analyze workload patterns to optimize shift schedules, ensuring adequate coverage while minimizing overtime costs. Another example is predictive analytics platforms that help HR departments identify skill gaps within their workforce, enabling targeted training programs that align with future business needs. Supporters argue that these tools not only enhance efficiency, but also contribute to a more engaging work environment. For instance, by automating routine administrative tasks, employees are freed to focus on creative and high-impact projects, boosting job satisfaction and innovation. However, there are potential challenges and controversies. As with many AI applications, there is a risk of over-reliance on technology, potentially leading to job displacement or a lack of personal touch in workforce management. Additionally, concerns about algorithmic bias and privacy issues may arise, as these tools often handle sensitive employee data. Companies need to implement robust data governance and maintain a balance between machine recommendations and human oversight. In the broader context of AI tools for the workplace, optimization tools influence and complement other AI-driven solutions, such as performance management systems and virtual collaboration platforms. By offering comprehensive insights and support, they help to create a cohesive tech ecosystem that enhances overall business agility and adaptability. As organizations continue to adopt AI-enhanced methodologies, workforce optimization tools will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of work, making them indispensable in any forward-thinking company's toolkit in 2025. Essential productivity tools driven by AI refer to software or applications that leverage artificial intelligence to enhance efficiency, streamline workflows, and optimize productivity for individuals and organizations. These tools are designed to automate repetitive tasks, provide intelligent insights, and assist users in managing their time and resources more effectively. The significance of these tools in the broader context of AI tools you should be using in 2025 lies in their ability to transform the way work is conducted. By integrating AI, these tools can save significant amounts of time, reduce errors, and allow individuals to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors, thus boosting overall productivity. Illustrating this point further, consider two examples. First, AI-powered virtual assistants like GPT-4 integrated into productivity platforms can manage scheduling, set reminders, and even draft emails. They learn from users' preferences and habits to anticipate needs and suggest optimal meeting times or prioritize tasks effectively. Another example is AI-driven project management software, such as Monday.com or Asana, which utilize machine learning algorithms to predict project timelines and resource needs, allowing for more accurate planning and efficient allocation of resources. Supporters argue that these tools are indispensable in today's fast-paced digital environment. As businesses and individuals are inundated with data and tasks, AI-driven productivity tools provide a crucial advantage by offering smart insights, automating mundane tasks, and improving decision-making processes. This transition enables professionals to dedicate more time to high-level strategic thinking. However, there are potential challenges and controversies associated with the adoption of AI productivity tools. Privacy concerns arise as these tools often require access to personal data to function effectively, leading to debates about data security and user consent. There is also apprehension about over-reliance on AI, which might result in decreased human involvement in decision-making processes and a potential loss of critical thinking skills. These AI-driven productivity tools connect to other aspects of the main topic by laying a foundation for how AI can be woven into various facets of work and personal life. As AI continues to evolve and become more integrated into different sectors, its role in enhancing productivity will influence the development of other specific AI tools across different applications. Ultimately, understanding and adapting to these productivity tools is crucial as they set the precedent for how AI reshapes industry standards and personal habits, making them vital components in the broader array of AI technologies one should consider using in 2025. Certainly, In the expansive arena of AI tools projected to be essential by 2025, the focus naturally gravitates toward those that will fundamentally enhance both individual productivity and organizational efficiency. The heading you're interested in highlights a crucial AI tool that represents the synthesis of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design. This concept is pivotal in understanding the broader landscape of tools we should expect by 2025. AI-driven personal assistants will arguably redefine how we interact with technology on a daily basis. These virtual assistants are more than just tools. They're intelligent systems designed to help manage tasks, schedule appointments, and even anticipate user needs by analyzing data patterns. Their significance lies in their ability to streamline operations, allowing professionals and individuals to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. This shift could lead to significant productivity gains, thereby altering how businesses operate and how people manage their personal lives. Real-world applications of AI-driven personal assistants abound. One example is the enhanced scheduling capabilities that leverage data from various sources to suggest optimal meeting times across different time zones, ensuring efficient time management. Another application involves personalized content delivery. By analyzing user preferences and behavior, these assistants can curate relevant information, recommendations, and updates. This capability is becoming increasingly valuable in the era of information overload, enabling users to access tailored content swiftly. While the potential of AI-driven personal assistants is vast, there are certain challenges and controversies tied to their widespread adoption. Privacy concerns are prominent, as these systems require access to considerable amounts of personal data to function effectively. There's a fine line between convenience and intrusion, and securing users' trust is paramount. Additionally, there's the ongoing debate on AI's autonomy. How much decision-making should these systems handle? Opinions in support often emphasize the immense time savings and enhanced decision-making precision these tools can offer. However, some critics fear over-reliance on AI might lead to diminished human skill sets in areas these systems cover. Moreover, issues of bias within AI algorithms could lead to systemic problems, potentially reinforcing stereotypes or marginalization if not carefully managed. This concept inevitably influences other aspects of AI tools, touching on areas like machine learning advancements, data security protocols, and user experience design. Artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, and its role in assisting and augmenting human capabilities will likely become integral to both our professional and personal lives. Understanding these dynamics is key to effectively harnessing the power of AI in future technology landscapes.